Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra Hybrid case from Spigen, and this is their one with the little design on it. I forget what it's called. I think it's called Ultra One or Neo One or something like that. Let me actually pull it up real quick and look before I give you guys the wrong information. Of course, the link will be down in the description if you want to pick it up. But let's see, it is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit. Neo 1, yep, so it is called Neo 1. It is Qi 2 certified with the magnet on it for Galaxy, so you do get that with this case. If you purchase it on Amazon right now, it is $22.99. I believe on the Spigen website, it's like $49.99. So this is directly from Spigen on Amazon. So make sure you get it on there and save yourself some money. But this is the Neo 1. It's got the little kind of design here with the MagSafe magnet and the little like chips and kind of stuff on there, so that's pretty cool. They do also have it in frost black with the same, with no design. They have 01, which is like a full black back, and they have that in white and titanium, and then Neo 1, which is kind of clear with the minimal design on it, which I kind of like. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this plastic out of it. And this is the first case I'm checking out for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you guys want to see my other ones, I will be doing a full video on all the Samsung accessories as well. Currently my screen protector video is actually uploading, so it will be up right before this one. But I have that, and then I'll do all the Samsung cases in their own video as well. And this is a pretty nice fit. Really like the boxy design of the S25 Ultra. There we go, now it's on all the way. So we've got your volume right there, your power down here with a kind of rough textured feeling to it, so you can tell the difference between the volume and the power since they are next to each other. Nothing on the side, just minimal Spigen branding right there. We've got the MagSafe magnet. It's kind of a texture right there. Hold it up to the mic, you can hear that. Textured right there with the design, got a little charge port right there, all that kind of stuff. So very nice. We've got USB-C speaker down there. Microphone is right there. Nothing is right there. That's just the SIM card slot, so don't worry about that hole being covered. That's not a miscut out. That's just the SIM card eject button, the whole thing. And we've got the S Pen right here. So very nice right there. Everything is easy to get to, and nothing is obscured or anything like that. So very nice case from Spigen. Like I said, Amazon definitely save you some money if you pick it up on there. So I will leave a link to Amazon. And they actually have the, which one is, if you get the white one, $17.99, or sorry, which one? Something with $17.99 on here. So they have a bunch of different ones. I'll leave a link to this one on Amazon. If you click through, they have all the different designs and colors that you can choose from on there. So make sure you check that out. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.